In this video, we're going to be removing this Mercedes OEM Partition. So if you bought a van with the same thing, I'm going to show you guys how to remove this safely and fast. Or if you're looking to buy one, show you exactly where everything needs to go so you can go ahead and install it. Hey everybody, in this video, we're going to be taking apart the Mercedes-Benz OEM Partition. This is the very first time I'm going to take a nut, a bolt, anything out of the Sprinter here. So I'm very excited to share this with you guys. And if you bought a similar van and it came with a partition, or you want to put a partition in your vehicle, just do as I'm doing here in the video, just the other way around, and you can install yourself one of these partitions. And if you want the partition that's in the vehicle here, go ahead and send me a message and we can work something out, as I really don't have a use for this. So let's jump to the video. So let me show you guys the partition now. So here's the OEM Mercedes partition that came in the van. So it's got a nice window here, some sort of sound deadening material, and it curves all the way to the top. It's held on with these T25s and 10mm bolts. So I'm going to do this in sections. First, I'm going to go and remove this right here, and then we'll remove the other piece. And the cargo rings here are the T25 as well. So I got myself a nice Torx bit set here. This is the one I used last time on the Mercedes, and I gave it to the owner. So again, bought myself the same exact one, as I found it to be really good quality. And let me set the camera up and we'll start taking this apart. All right. Okay, so here's what we're going to be doing. We're going to be removing everything here to here and down, and then we'll look at the top piece. Okay, so let's do this. Most important thing to do here is keep all your hardware. All right, so the kids are going to be removing these. So it's really important to make sure that you don't strip any of the hardware. So put some weight behind as you're backing this out. Let's take a look at the inside of this as the kids are doing that. Okay, so this is the other side. And it looks like there's some pieces on the very bottom here, on the interior as well. All right, so Cyrus is gonna go back here. I'm gonna move the seat. So we got 3 on this side and 3 on the other side. He's gonna do that. He's got the 10-inch on here. I'm gonna start at one corner. Is that deep, or do you need deep socket? It's good. There you go. Go ahead. Good job, bud. You ready for a camper build? Yeah. All 6 are out? Uh-huh. Dang, good job. Okay, so there's 2 more back there that are left. You like power tools?
Yep.
All right. Uh-oh, are bolts just jumping out?
Yeah. Hey, Dad.
Yeah.
I want to say something.
Sure.
Last time I was working on the van, I was not involved at all. Barely, like.
You were the coffee guy.
Yeah.
So the metal might be sharp. Get yourself some gloves. Back. So this is gonna be a T45. There's actually 4 bolts underneath this carpet back here. So I'm gonna peel this back, and we can see those 4 bolts. So even with the D-rings off, there's actually 4 more bolts underneath this carpet in the back. These have to be removed. Hey, if we didn't say, this is our first time too, but we're gonna figure this out. Full force. See, ready? 1, 2. If we didn't mention earlier, make sure you guys put down some sort of blanket on the ground to protect the floor, as it's gonna get damaged. So just keep recording. Lift it up. Lift it up. Okay. Ready? All right, let's go. Wow, the Sprinter is actually somewhat got a nice bigger feel to it. Okay, so the cargo partition is out. Kids are happy. And now we are gonna remove this. So again, the T25s all the way on the top and the sides here. There's quite a few up there. And if your van came like this, just know you're gonna have to go ahead and fill in these holes. You can see the ground down here. Okay, so there was a lot of screws holding this partition in. Everything is removed. I am gonna grab myself some paint and cover up all these holes. And this is done. Super excited. So the partition is out, and I appreciate you guys watching. You'll find a video to the next project in the van build. The kids are super excited, and we appreciate you guys watching.